Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing something a little different, something I've never done before. It's not really a makeup tutorial, it's more like tips and tricks on how to make yourself look presentable when you're sick. I have been sick for the past week, and I'm not gonna lie, up until like 2 days ago, I really didn't care about my appearance. I know I look like death, but I'm finally starting to feel a little better. So I decided to come on camera and show you guys a couple of things that I do to make myself look a little bit more alive and alert and a little bit more healthy. So starting off, it's going to be different depending on, you know, your features and what you like to accentuate on your face. But for me, I mainly like to do my eyebrows and make sure that my eyes look okay, and then I'm pretty much good to go because my skin isn't too blemished, so I can get away without wearing foundation and things like that. So just starting off with my brows, I'm just going to brush them down like so. And normally when I do my eyebrows, I use the gel and the powder, but for days where I want to do minimal makeup, I just use the powder to lightly fill in those sparse hairs. And now we're moving on to the face, and I know this is pretty controversial. I've seen people say that you're not supposed to use coconut oil on your face, but I've been using it on my face for years, and it hasn't done anything to my skin. So what I do is I take a couple of dabs on each cheek, and I blend it into my skin so that I can have that nice healthy glow, because as you saw before, my skin was super dull looking, and my nose is kind of red in this area right here. So we're going to take care of that. You want to make sure that you blend it in well, because you don't want it to look like you have just a pile of oil sitting on top of your skin. You just take the rest of it, what's left over, and now blend it onto my chin, my nose, and my forehead. And to cover up these under eye circles that I have, my eyes look extremely sunken in, I'm just going to take my LA Girl BB cream and a concealer brush that I got from e.l.f. Sorry, there's a little something in there. And then I'm going to just blend this in underneath each eye. And I don't take a whole lot because I'm literally just covering up my under eye circles. And you can use concealer if you want, but I'm going for the bare minimum coverage. Concealer can be very heavy and look very heavy at times, so I wouldn't advise doing it, but if that's your cup of tea, go ahead, boo. I probably should have done one eye at a time so you can see the difference, but again, I'm not looking for full coverage. I'm just looking for something to cover those up a little bit, just to make me look more awake. And I'm not even setting that either. Again, cake face is not what I'm going for. And after I've applied that, I'm going to take my Colourpop blush in the shade Get Laid. I haven't used this in years. And I'm going to apply this right underneath my eyes where I applied the BB cream. Instead of applying this where I normally apply blush, I am just adding color back to my face in the normal spots where I get it. And then I'm going to drag that on my nose as well. I don't know, I'm like, you just cover that up, why are you adding it back? But now this looks more put together than what it did before, because before it just looked like I had been blowing my nose for 10 hours straight. And And once I am done with that, I am going to apply mascara to make my eyes look more awake. And I'm just taking my L'Oreal Voluminous and applying this to my top and bottom lashes real quick. If I'm feeling fancy, I like to just take some lip gloss like that so that my lips are popping even though my hair and the rest of me are not. So this is pretty much it for my little tips and tricks on how to make yourself look more awake when you are feeling under the weather. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.